Question number 171. Complete the analogy. Poisonous snake, viper. Poisonous fish is 2. The options are lamprey, stingray, fighting fish, magur. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, stingray. Lamprey cannot be a correct answer. Lamprey is a cyclostome. Some cartilaginous fishes possesses poison stings such as trigon, also known as stingray. So this is a correct answer. This is also scientifically trigon. Third option is fighting fish. It is a bony fish. This cannot be a correct answer. Magur is also a bony fish and it is not a poisonous fish. So this cannot be a correct answer. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 172. Presence of ctenoid and cycloid scales is a distinct characteristic feature of members of, and presence of these scales is a characteristic feature of bony fishes or osteichthyes that belongs to the superclass Pisces under the division Gnathostomata, and under this comes class Osteichthyes. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3, class Osteichthyes. Superclass Agnatha, no, because they belong to the division Gnathostomata. Superclass Tetrapoda, no, because they belong to the superclass Pisces. Fourth option, class Chondrichthyes, is incorrect because these are bony fishes. Because presence of ctenoid and cycloid scale is a characteristic feature of bony fishes and not cartilaginous fishes. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 173. Choose the incorrect statement. The very first statement says neural system in annelids consists of paired ganglia connected to a single dorsal nerve cord. And this is an incorrect statement. So this is a correct answer to our question. Because dorsal nerve cord is a characteristic feature of chordates, whereas annelids are non-chordates. So the neural system in annelids do not possess a single dorsal nerve cord. The next statement says mental cavity in mollusks contain feather-like gills, yes, which have respiratory and excretory function, as it is a correct statement. This cannot be a correct answer. Digestive system in echinoderms is complete with a ventral mouth and dorsal anus, is also a correct statement. So this cannot be a correct answer. The last statement says statocysts, antennae, and eyes are sensory organs of arthropods, is also a correct statement. So this cannot be a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 174. Cnidoblasts containing nematocysts are not used for. The options are anchorage, reproduction, defense, capture of prey. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, reproduction. Because cnidoblasts are used for anchorage, defense, and capture of prey. So these cannot be the correct answer. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2, reproduction. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 175. In cockroach, the junction of foregut and midgut contains. Now at the junction of foregut and midgut, there are 6 to 8 blind tubules called hepatic or gastric CK. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1, 6 to 8 gastric CK. The second option is 8 pairs of hepatic CK. This is incorrect. These are unpaired structures. Third option is 100 and 150 Malpighian tubules. These are incorrect. Malpighian tubules are present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. And the last option is 10 to 20 pairs of tubules of mushroom gland. This is an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Mushroom gland is a part of reproductive system. So the correct answer is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question.